Hey everyone, I'm Jason, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a module scan on the Paradox EVO panel. So here I got the 7-inch touchscreen. So what you got to do is we're going to go to menu, we're going to go to Advanced, Installer Programming. Now we're going to enter the default code is all zeros, 6 zeros. If yours doesn't work, you might have to default your system or call your installer and ask him for the 6-digit PIN. So there's 3 ways of doing the module scan. Easiest way, special functions, and it's right here, module scan. So if I click on it, it's going to ask you, would you like to do it? We're going to click yes. And now it's going to scan your whole system with all the modules that are connected to it. So if you ever get the screen popping up saying module missing, you're going to have to do this module scan to find out which module is not showing up on the system. The other reason why you want to do a module scan is if you removed or changed one of the modules. So that's completed. So that's the first way of doing it. Second way, back to menu, Advanced again, Installer Programming, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This time we're going to do System Programming. Now we need to enter the section where the module scan is. There is 2 sections. There is a quick scan and a full scan. The quick scan is 4005. So I'm just going to wait for the quick scan to go through. And your modules will be pulling up over here. So this system working right now only has 2 modules. So press OK. Now to do the full scan, just going to follow the same steps. System Programming. Now we're going to do 4006. This is the full scan. Keep in mind guys, this one will take longer. But this one here scans the whole system. If it detects any issues, it'll definitely pop up here now. If you guys did replace or remove one of your modules, I do recommend you using the 4006. What it does is it will remove the missing module and replace it with the new module. Should be finishing up now. Module scan completed. Press OK. I'll take you right back to the home page. Then if you pay attention to the top corner, it's going to load all your labels, zones, and all that stuff's going to be reloaded to the keypad. So there you guys have it. That's how simple it is. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. Like this video, thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button. And once again, thanks for watching.